These videos are all designed to give you techniques and then you can elaborate on them yourself or whatever you want to do. This time I'm going to put the patch behind this gap. So you'll see the gap, but you'll see the stitching over the top of it. It'll reinforce it and look quite attractive, I hope. When you get a split, sometimes it is just a split, but when it's something like the knees on trousers, you know that the whole area has become weakened. So this is quite a big patch, and I've decided to use a sort of yellowish thread, and I quite like that because that goes with the yellowish thread sewn on the jeans, sort of traditional colour. Now I'm going to do that running stitch again, so I'm going to start at the bottom of the patch, take the thread in from the outside so you don't really see it, secure it, and then I'm going to do what we've done before in these videos about patching. I'm going to do a running stitch about the same size roughly of each stitch up the way and down the way. So I'm going to do quite a bit of stitching and then show you how I'm getting on. So here I've gone up and down with these stitches. Every time I've needed more thread, I've stopped, secured the stitch and then come in from underneath and started again. I've caught some of these soft fibres here, but I think I need to do a little bit of extra stitching over some of them. So having gone to the end, I'm going to snip and then restart in this middle section with back stitch, because back stitch will mean that the stitches are closer together, and I'm going to follow these lines and create a sort of extra box across the middle. So secure the thread again and then back stitch. If you remember, you go back, up in front, behind, up in front. Now what this is going to do is reinforce that center, and with any luck it'll catch most of the threads. So I'm going to do again a bit more, show you the result. So you can see I've done back stitch just in those center sections and tied down a bit of the extra thread. I think it looks quite nice and it doesn't look too bold. So I'm going to just finish off that last stitch to secure the stitch. And there we are. Take the thread away from the center so I can trim it. So I'll do that now. Then I will turn them inside out and neaten up any threads or extra fabric I have. Otherwise, that's the mend done.